In the previous lecture, we have to discuss the first case. The image, when the object is placed at infinity, so the image is formed at the focus. So we have to discuss in the previous lecture the image formation when the object is placed at infinite. When the second case we have to describe right now, object placed at object placed between infinity to center of curvature. So we have to draw first of the concave mirror. This is our concave mirror. This is our concave mirror. This is our principal axis. This is our principal axis. This is our principal axis. This is principal axis. This is pole. This is concave mirror. This is our concave mirror. When the object is placed, this is a point focus. This is the center of curvature. Object is placed between infinity and center of curvature. It means object is placed like here. This is infinity. This is the center of curvature. The object is placed like that. We have to. This is our object. We have to know the basic rules for the image formation. If the ray is parallel to the principal axis, it always passes through the focus. We know this rule very well. If a ray parallel to the principal axis is always passes through the focus. This is our incident ray. And another ray we have to consider that a ray which is passing through the focus. A ray which is passing through the focus is always goes to the parallel to the principal axis. It means both of the ray is cutting here. And the image is formed. At that point. What is the basic properties of the image? First, we have to see that the incident ray and the after the reflection meets at a single point. It means this rays meets actually at a point, and the image is formed is real image. The first point we have to remember, image is real. And when the image is real and this object is like above the principal axis and the image is below the principal axis, it means inverted image. It is inverted image. The next point we have to remember about the image, diminished image. And where it is formed, between image is formed between C and F. So these points we have to remember that image is real, inverted, diminished image, and this image is formed between center of curvature and the focus. This is the basic principles we have to remember. We have to remember this case, object placed between infinity to center of curvature. So this is the image formation by a concave mirror. Image is real, inverted image, diminished image, and image is formed between C and F. Object placed between infinity to center of curvature. This is the basic principle, basic laws.